if you look into the question, what it is given here, if you have the function, what is that, a plus bx into e raised to the power y by x, they have given this is nothing but x. So then what should we do? We need to show that this will satisfy this condition. Is it okay? So now let us see how to prove this. This is this is e raised to the power y by x must be equals to x, right? If you look into this, what we want something in the form of y is equal to something, that is then only we can do y double dash and y dash, agree? So what we have to do, we can't do directly. First of all, I'll rewrite this question. This is nothing but e raised to the power y by x is nothing but x by a plus bx. This multiplication part, if it goes to the right side, it will be in the division, agree? So what should we do? This is in the form of function raised to the power some constant. So let us assume this is in the form of some constant, e times function, agree? So I don't want anything in the power. So what I will do here, I will take it down. For taking it down, what should we do? Simply apply log on both the sides. If I apply log of e raised to the power y by x, and this is nothing but log of x by a plus bx. Is it okay? Yes. So then what should we do? You have to remember some formulas. We know that log x power of n is nothing but n log x. And if you have remember, we have a formula one more. What is that? Log a by b. What is log a by b? This is nothing but simply log a minus log b. Is it okay? The same formula I'll be applying here. So if you look into this, and one more I want, log e to the base e, always it will be 1 alone. Is it okay? Yes. So I'll try to apply these three formulas. So this is log x power of n, means what? All power will come friend. Y by x times log e. Okay, which is equals to, this is in the form of log a by b. So I can write it as log a minus log b, means what? A plus bx. Is it fine? Now if you look into the figure, this will be log e to the base e, which is 1. Nothing base means this is what? Natural logarithm, which is base e. Okay. So this is y by x. Y, because it will be 1, must be equals to log x minus log of a plus bx. Is it okay? Yes. So now what should we do? We need to prove this. What is there in this? We have first derivative and we have second derivative, right? So try to differentiate this function. If I differentiate this with respect to x, if you check into the left side, this is in the form of u by v. What is the formula for u by v? We will call it as a quotient rule. Okay. V u dash minus u v dash by v square, right? I will be applying the same formula. So v denominator into u dash, numerator derivative will be dy by dx minus u as it is, which is y, and v denominator derivative will be what? That is 1 by v square, means x square is equals to, what is log x derivative? That is 1 by x minus, here also this is in the form of log x. If you remember, let me give you, we know that log x dash means derivative. Derivative will be 1 by x. The same thing I'll be trying to apply in here. 1 by a plus bx, and whatever you have taken its derivative, which is, I need to apply again a plus bx derivative. This will comes under the chain rule. Are you getting my point? Yes. So now let us continue. This is a, see, instead of dy by dx, I will suggest you try to write it as a y dash. We know that dy by dx is nothing but y dash. This is the notations. Okay. So now let us continue. X into y dash minus y by x square is equals 1 by x minus 1 by a plus bx, and a derivative will be 0, b into x derivative will be 1. Is it okay? Yes. So what we will be having here, this is what we have, right? So now try to look into the screen here. Let me do it. X y dash minus y by x square, agree? So which is equals to, try to, I can write it as 1 by x minus 1 b by a plus bx, agree? So right side I'll try to take it an LCM, because this is what we need to prove. We don't want any a or any b. Okay, so we have to get rid of a and b. So what I will suggest you, try to solve this for further. Xy dash minus y by x square is equals to, I can do cross multiplication. So we are doing cross multiplication, means first term it will be a plus bx minus b into x will be bx by denominator x into a plus bx. Is it okay? So simply what should we do? We can cancel minus bx and plus bx. Again, what we can here, we can do x y dash minus y by x square is nothing but a by x times a plus bx. Is it okay? Yes. Again, what I can do here, denominator can I send it to the right side? So x y dash minus y. Check it here. This is something in the same format. Sorry. x y dash minus y. So same thing I am getting here. Let me write it out. A denominator x square, I am sending it to the right side. It will be in the numerator. By this is x into a plus bx. Now what should we do? If you see something, I can cancel x from the numerator and denominator, right? So this is nothing but x y dash minus y is nothing but what? This is in the form of ax by a plus bx. Is it okay? So somewhere we have seen, yes, this one. What is this? If you look into the problem clearly, what we will be getting here? Yes, let me show you this one. X by, just a second, this one, x by a plus bx is nothing but e power of yx. So x by a plus bx, only this term. Okay, so what we have x by a plus bx is nothing but e power y by x we have. Is it okay? I'll be applying the same thing here. So x y dash minus y is equals to a into this is e power y by x. Any doubts in this? So simply take it as a what? This is the equation number 1. If you look into the question, they are asking us to find the y double dash. Double dash means what? We have to do one more differentiation for that. Again, what is this? This is there is a power. We have a e power y by x. So we don't want anything in the power. So to get rid of that, what should we do? Again, we have to take a log on both the sides. Agree? Take log on both sides. If I apply log on both the sides, this is nothing but log of x y dash minus y is equals to log of a times e raised to the power y by x. Is it okay? Yes. So if you remember, we have a formula log ab. What is the formula for log ab? Let me show you. Log ab is nothing but log a plus log b. Is it okay? I'll be applying the same formula here. So this is nothing but simply nothing we can do. Keep as it is left side x y dash minus y. This is nothing but log a will be a plus log what is b? E raised to the power y by x. Agree? Just now we have seen one formula. Log of x power of n is nothing but n times log x. Power will comes front, right? Same thing we are doing here. So this will be as it is. Log of x y dash minus y is nothing but log a plus this will be, yeah, so y by x into this will be simply what? This is log e here. Is it okay? Let me write it down. Log e. Yeah, we know that log e to the base e is 1. I have written where? Let me show you here. Log e to the base e is 1. So what I will do, simply it will be 1 alone. Let me write that also. So log of x y dash minus y is nothing but log a plus y by x. So this will be e. Any doubts? I think so. No doubts up to here. So now what should we do? We want double derivative. So try to do differentiation here. Differentiate this function with respect to x on both the sides. Okay. If I do, then what I'll be getting here? If you remember, derivative of a log x will be what? 1 by x. Log x derivative will be 1 by x. The same thing I'll be applying here. Log of the whole thing. The whole thing I'll be, let us assume it as a capital X. Is it okay? This one. So this is nothing but 1 by x y dash minus y. This is in the form of a log x and we need to apply derivative for that. I will write it down. Okay. Is equals to log a. What is the derivative of log a? You will be saying it as a 1 by a. That is completely wrong. Why? Because any term, if there is no variable, will becomes under what? Constant. So in this term, there is no variable. Agree? So this is a constant. We know that constant derivative will be 0. Is it okay? Remember, most of the students will do mistakes here only. Right? And what is the right side? That is in the form of a y by x. If you know, y by x means what? This is u by v. So we can apply the quotient rule here. U by v we have seen already. What is its derivative here? V u dash minus u v dash by v square. Agree? So the same thing if I apply, what will be getting here? X into u dash. What is the y? That is y dash minus u means y into x derivative will be 1 by v square means x square. Is it okay? Yes. So from this is 1 by x y dash minus y into try to apply its derivative. If you apply derivative, this is again uv. So means what? Product rule. What is the product rule? You already seen here. Yes, uv. What is the product rule? We have seen, right, just now. U times, let me show you so that you can write it down. Uv derivative will be what? U dash v plus u v dash. See, whenever formula or the what I can say notation comes, I'll be using right side of the page or the left side of the page. Okay. Continue. U into v. So x derivative will be 1 into y dash plus x as it is. Y derivative will be y double dash. Okay. Minus. y derivative will be what? That is y dash is equals to x y dash minus y by x square. If you feel like still if you have a doubt, you just let me know. One by one I am applying derivative. Is it okay? Continue. So if you look into this y dash can be cancelled with this y dash. Yes. Finally we got with what? 1 by x y dash minus y into x y double dash must be equals to x y dash minus y by x square. Agree? So simply try to do the cross multiplication. If I do the cross multiplication, x y dash, right side x square comes to this side, and this side denominator is there. I'll be sending x y dash minus y. This is also x y dash minus y. So I'll write it as into x y dash minus y. So x into x square will be what? X cube times y double dash must be equals to, these two are same. What is a into a square. So x y dash minus y the whole square. Is it okay? Now let us check. This is what they are asking us to prove. Just a second. Yes. See, if you look into this, the same thing they are asking us to prove. That is what I have proved it. Is it okay? Yes. A little bit lengthy only, but if you practice, it will be easy. Is it okay? Yes. So hence proved. Okay, so if you feel like ma'am, in JE how they will ask like show that prove that means, so they will give in the type of a statement. Try to check whether the statement one is true, statement one is a false, like that means they'll give check this is correct or not, right? In that case you need to do it. Actually this will be a little bit lengthy because I have explained each and everything step by step, step by step. If you do directly, I don't want to like this formulas and all are very basic things you will be knowing already. So then you can avoid this lengthy calculations. Okay. If you have any doubts, you just let me know. Thank you.